Hi friends, welcome to this video. Today I want to show you this product. This is a bag for your laptop, for work, or school. So, look at this. It's like a tote bag. Have this beautiful accessory right here. It's like elastic, but you can put it off if you want. Is this one? The colors are beautiful and are perfect because you can use it with any outfit, uniform, or whatever. And it's lightweight. It's so light. Have this zipper that feels secure and resistant. And in the inside have this design. It's like white and brown. They came with this strap. And in the inside, as you can see, in the side have this compartment that is for your pens or pencils. In this side, you can put the charger or other accessories, your cell phone. And you can use the bag in two parts. Have this part for your laptop that close with this band right here. And all this space for other things that you need. And inside the zipper, there are for small things like your money, your wallet, or something like that. And in the outside, have this other pocket that is more smaller for things that you need to carry on with you. So I'm gonna put my laptop right here. And as you can see, have the perfect size for your computer. I'm gonna close with this band. I'm ready. It's lightweight, it's beautiful, looks good with my outfit. It's perfect, I love it. So if you don't want to use the bag this way, you can put the strap, this one, and have this here. So you can put it easy, this way. Now in the other side. All right. You can use it like a crossbody. Or you can use it just here. So it's perfect for work, it's perfect for school, for your laptop and your personal things. So I highly recommend it if you need it. See you.